What is going on, everybody? Today is a big day for the HHR. We are putting on a mod that I've been waiting to do since I bought it. It's sitting right over here on the table in front of me, so let's go ahead and spin around and check it out. Alright, so here's the mod for the HHR. As you guys can see, I already opened it. I was way too excited to get into this thing and check it out, so yeah, sorry about that. But anyways, this is coming to us from ZZP Performance. They are a GM performance company from Grand Rapids, Michigan, and so they're like an hour away from me. The shipping took literally 1 day from the time that I ordered it, so definitely recommend them. So here it is, guys, a 3-inch CATLESS downpipe, ZZP, welded in right there. This is a beautiful piece of equipment right here, guys. There's only 150 bucks for this quality. As you can see, the welds are really right there. You guys can see that they are just top notch all the way around through here. This is legit stuff. It's local, and it's gonna sound great on my car. So let's get outside, get the car jacked up, and get this thing installed. Okay, so we got the car all jacked up, and I'm already underneath the car. First bolts that we're gonna try and tackle are these 3 that are holding the end of the downpipe onto the rest of the catback. I believe those are gonna be 14 millimeters, and hopefully the ones up there too on the turbo side are also 14. But I hit these all with PB Blaster last night, let them soak. So hopefully these bolts come off pretty easily. I'm really gonna need you guys' luck on this one. These do not look good, so we'll see what happens.
One eternity later.
So hours of struggling later, and we finally managed to get the old nasty downpipe taken off the car. It was a horrible, horrible, horrible process. Every bolt was rusty and really, really tight, and I had to cut a few bolts off. So that took me all day yesterday. This is actually the next day. As you can see, we have the new downpipe out finally. The downpipe's disconnected up in the front and in the back. We broke a stud off there, but hopefully it won't be too bad. I will fix that eventually. But for now, I just want to get the downpipe on so I can use my car again. Before we put the new one in, we just have to put the O2 sensor back on and then put it back in. That's it. So I will fast forward until we have this thing in the car, and then we will start it up and see how this thing sounds. Alright, well, she sounds great and there's no leaks, so let's go ahead and put this thing back down on the ground. Alright guys, so that concludes the install of the full turbo back exhaust on my HHR. I hope you guys like how it sounds. The car feels so much better, so much faster. The turbo spools up way quicker. I'm super satisfied with the downpipe. It was definitely worth every penny of 150 bucks. It's just great quality. The shipping was super fast. I really have no complaints with that product at all. I'm not sponsored by ZZP. I bought it with my own money, but I do love it and I support their products. Everything that I've seen so far is really high quality. But there is one other thing that I wanted to mention to you guys before we close out the video, and that is that the car has actually been tuned. The day that I finished getting the downpipe installed, we got it tuned by a buddy of mine. The car is now running a GM Performance Stage 1 tune. It's about 20 to 24 PSI depending on what gear you're in. So the car is fully tuned. It is amazing. I spent $350 total on the tune and the downpipe, and the car has just absolutely came alive. It's just running so much better. It pulls hard. It really sets you back in the seat. It sounds amazing. There's really no complaints. For that much money, I think we got about 60, 70 horsepower, which is crazy. I'm really satisfied. But with that, we're going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Appreciate you guys staying around to the end. I'm really excited to show off the HHR to you guys, let you guys hear how it sounds with some better audio. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like or a comment if you feel like it. And that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.